Okay. These are the three states of water: gas, liquid, solid. What happened when a spoonful of sugar, sawdust, and a soil are added to a glass of water, children? Can you see the experiment over there? I want this experiment should be done. This is an your activity. You're going to show me this in the video of making 2 minutes video. Okay, children? You're going to make this. What happened when the spoonful of sugar, sawdust, and a soil are added to a glass of water? This is your activity. Next activity, you're going to do this only, children. Sugar get dissolved, soil, sawdust does not get dissolved. Why? Why does the sugar get dissolved? Come on, give me the answer, children. Sugar क्यों dissolved होती है? And the soil and sawdust क्यों नहीं dissolved होता है? Last minute, I will tell you afterwards this activity. First, tell me the answer of this. Yes, yes, yes. You're going to make a video. Okay, I will tell you afterwards this. But keep it in mind, you're going to do what? What happened when a spoonful of sugar, sawdust, and a soil are added to a glass of water? Sugar gets dissolved. Why sugar gets dissolved? Yes, Janvi, come on, tell me the answer. And why does the soil and sawdust floats on the water? Why doesn't they get dissolved? Okay, soluble in water, very good. Sugar gets dissolved in water. Okay, very nice. Okay, my next question is that what is done to make drinking water clean and safe? Come on, tell me answer. What you can do to make a water clean and safe for drinking purpose? You know the answer? Filtered, okay, and only filtered, Aditi. Nothing else you can do? Boil, very good, Aniket. Very nice. We can filter, we can heating, okay, we can boil it. Very nice. Purification, very good, children. Purification is the main. Boiling is the main. Very good, very good. See, we should do boiling, then we should filter it and drink it. That water is very safe for us. Now, how does the water get polluted? Come on, tell me the answer. How the water get polluted? How does the water get polluted? Come on, tell me the answer. By pollution, yes, that only I'm asking you, children. From garbage, very good, Durvesh. So the water become potable, okay, becomes some dirty bacteria, okay, good, and what else? Garbage, rubbish, okay, okay, and plastics. So many points are there, children. Remember and tell me the answers. So it gets spoiled, okay, polluted, okay. We are doing washing the clothes also in the village side. They are washing clothes also. Even the animals they are washing in the water. Yes or no, children? Even the chemical factories are leaving their chemicals in the water, so the water gets polluted. Okay, so the water gets polluted. Water pollution. Water pollution happens when toxin substances enter water bodies such as lakes, rivers, and oceans. When other substances get mixed with the water, like a garbage, okay, or a soap water get mixed with the water, it becomes impure. It becomes kharab pani ho sakta hai. Some of these substances float in the water. Oil can float in the water. The chemical factories leaves their chemicals in the water, then the oil gets float in the water, on the water. So the water looks unclean or muddy. Some substance dissolve in the water and we cannot see them also. Some of the substance can dissolve in the water, like sugar can dissolve, then salt can dissolve in the water. If the substance that have got mixed with the water are harmful for living things, we say that the water has become polluted. Now we can see that it is harmful. How we can know this water is harmful for us? It's a polluted water because the color of the water becomes muddy. The color of the water becomes muddy. It's become dirty. Okay, then we can tell that the water is polluted. Not nice to drink it. Okay. Disposal of water. Disposal of water, children, means what? Come on, let me know. Disposal of water. The wastewater of a city or a town is collected. Ganda pani. Okay, disposal of water. Pani ko destroy karna hota hai, means pani ko nikal dena, like critters and all that is there. No, it's called a disposal of water. The wastewater, जो खराब पानी रहता है, of a city or town का गटर में आ जाता है, एक जगह पे आ जाता है पानी. Okay, collected and let into the water body at a convenient location. एक location रहता है, वहां पे पूरा पानी आ जाता है. Smell becomes very bad over there. The wastewater from the residential buildings as well as the factories and industries contain many kinds of impurities. Some of these dissolve in the water, while some do not. Sewage water can carry microorganisms that spread diseases. Gutter ka pani, what they spread a diseases. It's harmful for our health. Wastewater from industry is more likely to contain poisonous substance. If all this wastewater is let into water bodies, as it is, water bodies become polluted, and that is dangerous. Such water cannot be used for drinking or for any other purposes. This water we can drink, children? A dirty water, a muddy water we can drink? No, we cannot drink. Yeah, it's so dirty. It has so harmful diseases in that. It can cause us our health also. Okay? That is why it is compulsory for factory owner to treat. See, this is what gutter ka pani. Can you see this? All muddy water is there. So much dust is there. So much dirt is there. Garbage is there. Plastics are there. Bottles are there. Smells, kitna greenery water is there. Yes or no? It's not nice. Uska smell bhi kitna ganda aata hai. Okay? For factory owners to treat the water before letting it out. Similarly, sewage and other wastewater of town and cities is processed for purification before letting it into a water bodies. This helps to prevent pollution of water. Flowing water of river gets purified to some extent by natural process also. Before water is supplied to a town or a city, it is purified. Before coming the water to our tap, it is purified so many times. Okay, वो पहला purified होता है, फिर अपने को जाके अपने घर पे वो अपने टैप में आ जाता है. Everyone must be knowing this. Okay, ऐसे ही गंदा पानी भेजते क्यों लोग? Muddy water. In rainy season, muddy water also comes sometimes in our houses. Okay, then mummy boils it and then we are drinking it. Yes or no, children, like that. So before coming to our house, it is purified so many times. Do you know, if large quantity of impurities get mixed with river water, the natural process of purification cannot keep space. The proportion of oxygen dissolved in the water. In the river, we wash our clothes and that, okay, merged in the sea, and that water gets impure. Very good. It gets impure. Water is reduced, and this is a threat to the aquatic life, living things also. If you are putting an oil in the seas and all that, it is very harmful for the aquatic living things also. Fish के लिए भी वो problematic हो सकता है. Understood? So think before using water also. Can you see the purification of water, children? Can you see the purification of water over there? How does it done? Take a plastic bottle, tie a clean piece of cloth over its mouth. What you're going to take, a plastic bottle, tie a clean piece of cloth over its mouth, cut off the base of the bottle. नीचे का उनका उसका बेस कट कर दो. ओके, ऊपर बॉटल के ढक्कन को क्या करना है तुमको? माउथ को प्लास्टिक से ढक देना है. ओके, कवर इट विद द प्लास्टिक क्लीन पीस ऑफ क्लॉथ ओवर इट्स माउथ. Hold the bottle upside down. उल्टा पकड़ो उसको. Pour some poured coal into it. Coal means what? Koila. Then add a fine sand. And lastly, pour sand to make 3 different layers inside the bottle as shown in the diagram. Pour sand, fine sand, powdered coal, close is there, then a simple method of filtration water. Can you see the page number 78 of your textbook? Page number 76 of your textbook. Children, just see. Place the bottle on its lower cut off portion as shown in the figure. Now pour some muddy water containing some rubbish slowly in this bottle. Observe the water that flows into the base of the bottle. It appears clean because वो कहाँ से पानी आता है, ऊपर से पहले बड़ी जारी बड़ी वाली सैंड है, देन छोटी वाली सैंड है, देन व्हाट्स पाउडर कोल है, उसके बाद वो कोयला से होके होके वो पानी क्लीन होता है, it becomes a purified. Okay, observe the water and flow into the base on the bottle. It appears clean. Of course, you have learned that there could be microorganisms in it. उसके अंदर germs हो सकते हैं. Okay. See, this is water purification process at water work. Then water work. Which are the water works over there? See, different types of water works are given over there. Visit the nearest water work along with your teacher. Obtain permission to interview an official to learn about the purification process. Can you see there are 4 types of purification having given there? Settling, then oxygenation, then filtration and chlorination. Chlorination means chloride they are putting in the water. Do you know, while traveling, we often buy bottled drinking water, yes or no? While going some outside, we are using the bottle. Pipette water means that Bisleri water we are taking. You know that Bisleri water is also clean and all that. You must be not knowing. कहाँ से पानी आता है वो? कहाँ से भरते? We are not knowing anything about that. But then also we are drinking. Why? Because it looks clean water. Yes or no? So we are drinking. The bottles are available at places like bus stand and railway station. Read the information about the water given on the bottle and tell others about it too. The date of bottling and the period for which the water can be safely used is printed on the bottle. कब तक उसको पीना है, कब तक उसको spoil करना है, उसको destroy करना है, it is given on the bottle. Okay, it is important to read this information when buying a bottle. Anything, not a bottle I am telling. Read the information. कब तक expiry date है उसको, कब तक उसको खत्म करना है. Even we are buying the medicines, all that we are seeing expiry date, yes or no? कहाँ से हुई? Then ask the vendor to give a new bottle otherwise. Once you have opened it, the water should not be kept for a long time. The empty bottle must be crushed and thrown into the garbage bin. Don't use that bottle, but then too we are using that bottle for drinking purposes. So that is cannot be reused, but we are using, yes or no? Bisleri water is a mineral water. God knows, children, it's a mineral or not. Okay. Can you tell me, if at some place it did not rain for a very long period of time, what could be its effect on the life of the people there, children? Can you tell me the answer for this? If in some places there will be no rain at all for a long period of time, what will affect the life of the people there? What will happen to the people over there living over there? Come on, let me know the answer. Come on, let me know the answer. Destroy. Okay, Prathamesh. What will be destroyed? Exactly what destroy means what? So they do not get water. Okay. Okay. And house, what house? Destroy houses. Okay. You want to say that. Destroy houses. Okay. How it will affect the houses, children, right? I'm asking about the life of the people. Plant destroyed. Okay. You will not get water at all. Okay, they will feel very thirsty, man dies. Okay, they will get water. Very good. Okay, and what else? Living things destroyed. Okay, Anshika. Okay. And what else? Storage of water will be not there. Okay, Dhruvi. And else, what else? Every living things dies. Okay, that people will die. Okay, Swadhin, Aniket, very good. Okay. This is your answer. You know that everything, what will happen? Every life will destroy without the water. Fish will also die. Okay, good. Okay. Now we will see our next step point, feminine. Okay, people will die. Okay. Water evaporates continuously. That is why place where it does not rain for a long time experience a drought. At such place, the water level falls in the river, wells, lakes, ponds, and dams. Some of these may even go dry. कभी भी सूखा पड़ जाता है, सूखा पड़ता है ना, animals get died and all that, उसको ही बोलते हैं this one. If there is no water at all, feminine, this is only called a सूखा. Okay, this is only called a सूखा बोलते हैं ना, पड़ जाता है. The land also dries up due to the evaporation. वहाँ पे पानी नहीं मिलता है, vapors नहीं, nothing is there. Humans and animals suffer from scarcity of water. There is no water for agriculture. Agriculture के लिए पानी नहीं, खेती कहाँ से होगी, वो लोग खाना क्या खाएंगे अगर पानी नहीं तो. This condition is called a famine. A famine is a natural disaster. सूखा पड़ना बोलते हैं ना, उसको बोलते हैं सूखा पड़ना. Grains and flooded become scarce during a famine. You may have read about the famine in our state or countries or in other part of the world. People living there have to face a lot of hardship. Animals and plants in those parts also suffers. Also suffers. The government temporarily moves people and animals from famine-stricken area to safe place. वहां से गवर्नमेंट ने क्या किया है, वो लोग को पीपल्स एंड इवन एनिमल्स को वहां से मूव किया है, मीन्स हिलाया है, वहां से एक दूसरी जगह से लेके दूसरी जगह पे उनको शिफ्ट किया है. ओके, इट सेफ प्लेस पे जगह पे उनको शिफ्ट किया है जहां पर पानी रहेगा, अदरवाइज द पीपल विल डाई ओवर देयर सूखा पड़ने से. Where they can be provided with water, food grains and fodder. Fodder cans are set up to take care of domestic animals also. And what is the solution for this? Children, water management. Can you see? Can you tell me what will be the solution for this? If बंजर जमीन होगी या फिर पानी नहीं होगा, वहां पे सूखा पड़ा होगा, what will you do? What will you do? Same like government has done, or you will do something else for that people? Come on, let me know. What you will do? तुम लोग क्या कर सकते हो अगर वहां पे सूखा पड़ा हुआ है? Will go and help them or no? Okay, we do farming. Help them, very good. You will help them. Good, children, good. Now water management. How we are going to water the management? Come on, say this. Rain brings us water again and again. Every day something is 3 months or 4 months the rains are there, but we are not using that water at all, okay? But we get rain for only 4 months. We get a rain for only 4 months in a year. If rainwater is not stored, we should store the water. When rain is there, we should store the water. Everyone must be knowing how we are going to store the water and all that. We will not have water for our daily needs after the rain goes away. To meet several months are used to make rainwater seep into the soil. Large dams can be built, but that may not be possible in all the places. Dams सब जगह नहीं use बना सकते हम लोग. It's not possible for us to build a dam and all that in every places. Okay, so what we are doing, we can use the water, we can store the water in some buckets or in some big tanks and all that. We will make a lake for store the water. Okay, you can make a lake. इतना खोदेगा तुम ततमेश? इतना खोद पाएगा लेक बनाने के लिए? So think and say, give the answers. Okay, no, you cannot make lakes, children. You can store a water in a big tanks or a drum and all that. Okay, large dams cannot be built, but that may be possible in all the places. In that event, the government and the people come together to undertake the several works. इसलिए कौन आया है बनाने के लिए dams and all that? Government, peoples, and some of the peoples come together to build a dams, okay, or to build a lake and all that. People come together to undertake several works such as building smaller reservoirs, container dumping, stopping the water of the smaller stream by constructing the bunds or the banders, etc. This was there in previous chapter also, lesson number 2. It was there in lesson number 2. Bunds and streams was there in lesson number 2. Okay, not lesson number 1. It was there in lesson number 2. Then, in some places, wells are dug. In some places, wells are dug in rivers bed to allow water to collect in them. Rainwater flowing on the roof of the houses is rain. Okay, जो roof से गिरते देखो पानी. Can you see that in previous picture I shown you? See this, जो roof से पानी गिरता है देखो कैसे ड्रम में किया है उसको. Can you see storing rainwater in tanks? Okay, making rainwater seep into the soil. देखो कहाँ से किया उन्होंने. Can you see this? You can do it. Collect in them. Rainwater falling in roof of houses is drained into large tanks placed beside the building. Using all such method helps us to store as much as water as possible. Okay? Understood what we have learned today? So, children, first let me know what is life. Use it judiciously. Means water अपना क्या है? Life है. Okay? We have learned when substances that are harmful for living things get mixed with the water, it becomes polluted. Before wastewater is let into the water bodies, it is processed in many ways to prevent their pollution. Nice added this to water. Okay. Before the water is supplied to the public, the dissolved and undissolved substance in it are spread at the waterwork and the germs in it are destroyed. Okay. If it does not rain for a long time, it leads to drought and famine. Famine condition affects humans as well as animals and plants of that region. Water management means stopping or storing water or letting it percolating into the ground to make it available even after the rainy. And also we should use rainy season का बोलते हैं rainy season का फायदा ले लो. मीन्स बारिश गिर रहा है पानी नहीं जाना है बाहर. अरे स्टोर द वाटर ऑल्सो. जिसको पानी नहीं मिलता है उनको पूछो पानी की प्रॉब्लम क्या है. ओके, आस्क देम व्हाट इज द importance of water in their life. Everyone understood the chapter?